the trouble no can pour our say. Now big trouble there, the black Ghana. Say one can for it up. Or you say carry out complete to that wicked Papa Ojuku. Tell me what you happy to us.
Sammie do. If you know, just only like a Papa Hobin. Then she just Papa Hobin. One time we do our no thing. We saw only the girl she passed.
Oh, I was telling you. Don't forget about it, get. Don't forget about it, get. Soit c'est les gars rule in the community, les gars pressé in the community, les gars rule.
She not rule. The girl rule. She rule. For the parent and you go, you slap a girl hard. You saw slap her hard. You slap her hard. I have my temper to ransom to and slap her hard without beating the boat along. So only the girl go.
And nobody say we're going to see or say beating that girl. It's going to be all well.
No one will rest when they are around.
When I boss slap you, just say anything.
When you walk past us in trouble, Sammie, so long. When you touch
Sharp. I can be wondering every day what can really be happening to these children. My two boys. Those children. Every day a different problem. Every new day a new problem. And I get tired with it. I won't lie. You just have to be patient with him. Remember they are boys. And boy children have hard time. What kind of patience you need? All the patience in the world and I exercise. The children business. They not beat me. They not cost me. The whole community not jump on me. But this thing children business. And the me one that really helped me this morning. They bought red down here pain. Yeah. Ain't no pain. Yeah. That here woman. The children went and beat that kid. She never did anything to them. Since this morning, I see them here.
Don't judge it just that way. Our neighbor too have problem. Whenever you hear something, try to investigate before you take action.
Let me talk to you. Now your first and now your second time. Anytime we're talking about the children, you always come to my back. I will get my children and know them. You say I'm going to investigate. Anyway, let's forget it here. That's all the thing I was supposed to talk. I forgot them. You're smart, Dodo.
Oh yeah, she's fine. She's alright.
Alright. Yeah. They get smart. Oh, they get cut. Cut 100. Huh? You know like that door they want to get.
No, don't call them door. They are not door.
What are they door? You see what they are not. You know like the children want to see them on car tire? They can't remember here. You want to see them. I call them.
Don't call them door.
What are they door? You say I'm not calling door.
Road, there is a end. Now, on your knees. On your knees.
I don't know it's related to you.
You don't know, right?
Yeah.
I will teach you a lesson and you will never forget it. Now, back like a dog. I said back like a dog.
Whoa.
You fall?
Whoa.
You fall?
Whoa.
On your back.
On your back.
Lie on your back.
Yeah, like that.
On your back.
Okay.
Look straight in the sun.
I look at it. Baba, you kill me.
I want to kill you.
Yeah, you kill me.
Last time you see Zero, you were wrong.
Yeah, okay.
You
yes. Yeah,
you were wrong.
Yes, yeah.
Idiot.
Yeah, okay. I will know. Oh, yes. I will know. Okay. I will crawl.
Crawl like a snake.
I'm crawling.
I said crawl.
I'm crawling, yeah. You kill me.
I want to kill you.
You kill me.
I want to kill you.
You kill me.
I want to kill you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I said crawl.
Down. Yeah, crying. I'm crying.
Show that message. Be that man a pussy. I'm gonna hit you. Be my people. I say you kidding though. You go side. Sorry, the whole side got to come down.
You know what? I tell you, you can do the same style.
I don't know your hairstyle.
No, baby. Am I ugly?
I said, oh, I don't want it. You could have forced me to do that.
Alright, baby. I got a gist for you.
Okay.
And this gist is so exciting. And I want you to guess it.
You know, I'm not good at guessing, so just hit it on me.
Alright, if you say so. Remember those guys that beat on you the other day? I caught one of them. I beat him unmercifully. The same way as you told me, he make you to back, I make him to back like a dog. I even make him to crawl like a snake. You wouldn't believe it. Baby, why are you not happy? I thought you should be happy that I pay your debt.
Ben, I told you to forget about those boys. They are very terrible. I don't want them to see me the next time alone and try to join me or do something bad to me.
No, baby. They won't do anything to you, nor me. I have taught those guys the lesson of their life. The next time they see you or see me anywhere around, they will run. Alright? They will never come close to you. Do you know me? Trust me. Forget that, alright? No, stop.
Join Polo. I tell you to join Polo.
I'm talking about Billy. What thing happened to them, man?
Nothing.
Nothing happened to you, but you walking, get a crap up person.
I said nothing happened to me, Baba Ojuku. And I beg my info. I said nothing happened to him.
Nothing happened to your phone. All right, I'm gonna step in.
Wait. I was walking, going alone. I don't see that whole rest all the quota. I'm a phone enter inside my phone. I'm a break. You were in the net.
Listen to yourself. You are walking, going on the road. You not see the quota.
I don't see the whole outside the quota.
And you step inside your phone, almost break.
Yeah.
So you're not able to walk. Yeah. I hope that the true thing he's talking about.
Yeah. Not true, because one of them maybe not true.
I hope that's true.
Not true, I'm telling you.
When you walk like so trouble, Sammie, solo. When you talk like so.
Oh boy, il est en for home, no be feeding up. That ball out and go no say na my body you come to camp or you come to camp or okay.
Sammie, solo. When you talk like so trouble. When you walk like so trouble, Sammie, solo. No one correct when they are wrong.
Away from me.
So that's why you DRE.
Attention, get away from me. Come. Wait. Hey, you want that for one more minute? You that for one more minute. I just can't let out. I said, I'm so sorry. I will show you a power. I will deal with you. Anyway,
Stop the one here, yeah.
I
will treat you. I will treat you.
Okay.
Your money, oh. Sarah, Bobby,
going to bed.
Your husband, brother's children.
That Sammie and Solo Polo again. Sarah, what happened?
According to Ben, he was coming from my house last night.
Hey man, Ben, I'm so sorry. Never mind, yeah? Trust me, I'm going to tell the uncle about this. They beat on Sarah's boyfriend last night unmercifully.
Who is that Sarah?
Just that is a going girl that lived right after your brother's house. Yes, she's the one.
Oh, I can now picture her. But why should you conclude just that way?
I saw them coming from the hospital. He had a bandage on his head and his hand when I was going to get these things.
Don't mind them. This is how people of these days look. They spoil people's name only because they don't like them.
Really?
Don't be surprised one day when they come and tell me that you have a boyfriend.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
Oh.
Anyway, I'm going to have to prepare your food.
When you walk like so trouble, Sammie, solo. When you talk like so. When you walk like so trouble, Sammie, solo.
What's like you guys are pushing and sweating like this?
People are movable. You say, go face the chin, very chin, just sign up, go face it correct.
I hope so.
Yes, sister. Go face it. Okay, let's check what it be too. Hello. You see about Pastor Red Bajaya?
Oh, no. I see no what happened?
I'm finished, but I'm finished. But I'm finished.
What happened?
I'm going to go rest on the road. So what you say, rest me a cow sack. I can see my boat.
Man. I see it.
A new bag.
What you new back?
A new bag.
Hey man, then it's still there.
Now 1 week old bag.
Yeah.
A new bag. My brother 1 week old bag.
Somebody going on man do that thing.
I'm telling you. I said
Hey man. I gotta be a walking stick.
a new bag.
They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the village. No one will rest when they are around. They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the village. No one will rest when they are around. They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the
Beautiful child. You are so nice.
Thank you.
Beautiful child.
Thank you. Hey, Ma, I forgot to give you the cheese.
She loves the cheese. Yes. What is it, my child?
The drummer I watched a few minutes ago. Oh my God. Mama, I'm feeling sorry for Uncle Ojuku. His sons are creating too much of troubles for him.
My child, those boys don't want to be serious. And I don't blame them for what they are doing.
Why, Mama?
Because their father is not strong on them like a real man.
Don't say so, Mama. Who knows? Uncle Ojuku may be trying his best. I think those boys just want to be troublesome. Can you imagine? On my way coming back home, I saw those two boys pushing a bag. I asked them, whose bag are you guys pushing? And they said it was one of the big brothers' bag that broke down and they were pushing it to the garage.
So last, they were telling you, watch it. We will soon hear the real story behind it. Let me pack your hair and get other things done, my child.
Hello. You come in Major. Your children still my bag since 5 hours.
Yeah.
I've been looking for them. I can't see them. That's my friend that I've been here. Say you're living. So I can't hear.
Your name Marshall.
Yeah.
My children still your passing 5 hours.
5 hours.
Let me tell you. Number one, let me get my children key. Number two, your own at 5 hours. My own send 2 days. I lay my eye on them here. Number three, if you sure that my children really tell you about what you know what you must do?
Tell me.
Go to the radio station, you go and answer.
Eh.
If the radio station can't help you, you go to the TV station. You put on the TV.
Hey.
Let the people know.
What are children? TV.
Wait, I'm talking, you want to talk? Are you talking now? Go to all the social media that you know, the Facebook, everywhere, and put a picture that says they see your bar. Maybe you will get it.
What children?
That your bad luck or that you mean bad luck?
Well, I can't do one. I don't talk.
Oh, so you bring Bobo here?
Oh, well, I'm going to try to
So why are you talking?
The men are talk good. I make that straight to the house. So that yeah, they living in the power with you.
So you take Bobo from outside, you bring him to come insult me, to come talk.
They never see you.
You see they're kind of stupid there? So you ain't get respect for older people, these children. Yeah, I tell you from 1 to 3, you're going to get love from here.
For yeah?
I tell you seriously. 1. They will not know one enter inside the tail will bring. 2.
You know what? I know what to do too. I know what to do. Let's go.
Maria go.
And I'll go. You hire your children in our what? Like if you hear that. I'll go.
You real motorbike rider for you. So you open your arm, the whole scent, it take over the whole place. You see how you can be rude? You think it's rude, eh?
You are rude?
I rule when you really rule for truth. Go and carry the man, your partner, how long you carry those? Look how you not even train. You come back, you will see. Hey, my own trouble. I know the children, they can even do more than that. go in and run to yeah. That's trouble I see so.
They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the village. No one will rest when they are around. They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the village. No one will rest when they are around. They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the village. No one will rest when they are around. They are the troubles of the village. They are the troubles of the town. They are the troubles of the village. No one will rest when they are around. When they walk, that's also trouble. Sammie, solo. When they talk, that's also trouble.
Yes. How are you, sir?
Good. Hello. I hope no problem. Let me get chair for you so you can sit down.
No, you don't have to bother yourself, huh? Okay. I'm Officer Philip from the Liberian National Police, at Depot 8. Where are your boss?
Wait a minute. Since 2 weeks, I don't see them here. Today, making it 3 weeks and they left the place.
2 good weeks now. You haven't seen your boss?
Yes.
Okay, sir. We don't have time. Do you know this fellow?
I've seen him. I'm afraid I've seen him.
Okay. Your boys are being accused of stealing this fellow back. Since then, they are being hidden. We have searched for them. We can't see them. You are needed at the station to gather information concerning your boys.
Me?
Or to make a guarantee bond to provide them 24 hours or else.
Officer, I beg you. I want your food, please. Officer, the people that take the crime, not me. Even though they steal the men back, but now I don't want to see them back. I don't think the crime or penalty will be transferred to me. I beg your officer, please.
No, stop wasting our time. Officer, get this man arrested.
Let's go.
Let's go. Get it, Baba cheering. Okay,
Ojuku Sons, yeah. Ojuku Sons. Baba Ojuku Sons, yeah.
If the investigation carry on and admitting that those guys in question are your children, the Lord is going to demand you to report them within 24 hours or else you expect to do.
No, officer, I think you're not fair. It's not fair at all. The same corruption report that we're talking about. All our men they are about 18. I told them for themselves. So why you transferring the case to me for now? Why you intending on me for now? I'm signing no paper.
My young man, will you sign the paper or you go to jail until the police get them?
Calm down. You sign the paper. Calm down.
But why you can't the man down for? That is doing fair. That is the corruption we can be talking about. I'm signing paper.
But you will sign the paper.
I'm signing no paper. Chat, I'm signing no paper.
Do you want to go to jail?
My man, stop irritating me. Sign the paper.
You sign the paper.
Now the same corruption is supposed to be talking out here. Yeah? Somebody not doing anything to the person. But some people, they better know when they transfer. transferring the case on me. That corruption, I do that corruption there too.
Ojuku one is Santi, Ojuku one is Santi. Baba Ojuku one is Santi, Ojuku one is Santi. Baba Ojuku, people disgrace them. Ojuku, people love them. Ojuku, people disgrace them. Ojuku, people mock them. Ojuku one is Santi, Ojuku one is Santi. Baba Ojuku one is Santi, Ojuku one is Santi. Baba Ojuku, everywhere they go, trouble. Anything they do, not trouble. Even when they talk, it's just like fire. Everywhere they go, trouble. Anything they do, not trouble. Even when